Exercise number 12. Your dictation will start in 3 seconds. Start. Government will continue its effort to bring about a consensus among trade unions on the critical problems of uninterrupted production, increase in productivity, wages, and participation in management stock. Government has been considering methods of improving the performance of public sector undertakings. Some of these need to be restructured as holding companies so as to combine entrepreneurial vigor with effective public accountability. Stop. The Steel Authority of India Limited has been set up to reorganize the steel industry on these new lines. Stop. Further improvements in management practices and general administrative procedures are under examination. Stop. The approach to the 11th 5-year plan has been approved by the National Development Council. Stop. The approach indicates the effort necessary to attain the twin objective of self reliance and the removal of poverty within a reasonable period. Stop. A number or programs proposed to be taken up in the 11th plan, the National Program of Minimum Needs, the Employment Program, the accent on the development of backward classes and backward regions and the reorientation of the pattern of production with emphasis on goods of mass consumption are designed directly to attack the problem of poverty. Stop. The approach is based on government's considered view that growth and social justice are interlinked. Stop. Social justice needs growth to be meaningful, and growth needs social justice to be sustained and durable. Stop. The quality and content of growth are more important than growth by itself. Stop. The new directions given to the 11th plan and the magnitude of its targets call for major efforts on the part of all sections of our people. Stop. We have to sustain and transfer the unity, morale, and confidence which we demonstrated in meeting external danger to the fields of economic and social transformation of the country. Stop. I have no doubt that the people will respond to this challenge. Stop. It will be the privilege of this 13th Parliament of our Republic to give shape to the 5-year plan and make it the turning point in our advance towards economic independence. Stop. A number of programs intended for the benefit of rural masses have been in operation for the last 2 to 3 years. Stop. The Small and Marginal Farmers Program, the Program for Rural Development, Drought Prone Areas Program, provision of house sites to landless labor in rural areas, and the nutrition program. Stop. A special program to provide employment opportunities for 500,000 educated persons has been formulated. Stop.